Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more work from home job leads for you. I know I've seen in the comments some of you don't mind customer service. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone, but this video is for those of you who do not mind customer service. I have 7 different customer service work from home jobs that are hiring right now. We're going to dive through them as quickly as possible because it is Friday and I don't want to waste any of your time. Just know the links to all of these jobs that I share are in the YouTube description box below in case you want to get those applications in. Now, first up, we have the company Simple Tire. They are hiring a support specialist. This is remote for my United States folks. Only all of these positions that I am sharing in this video are for my United States. But they are just looking for a support specialist for fully remote work from home job to take both inbound and make outbound customer service calls, focusing on creating strong communication pathways between Simple Tire and its customers. So you'll handle phone calls, emails, and chats from online customers. You'll be verifying customer account information and order information. You'll manage on average 30 to 40 calls per day. You'll process online orders, returns, replacements, adjustments, warranties, installations. You'll help them track deliveries, inventory, pricing, and all of that. So you'll be 100% managing the customer issue, making sure the customer is satisfied. You may even have to follow up a telephone call with an email follow-up. Now, they are requiring a high school diploma or GED. Of course, an associate's or bachelor's is always preferred, but not required. They do want you to have 1 year of inbound contact center experience, have experience helping customers and providing that great customer service experience. You need to be dependable and flexible for your work schedules and shifts. Of course, you have to have clear communication skills, be tech savvy, and have the ability to quickly build honest relationships with customers. Now, if you are bilingual, have a prior tire or automotive industry experience, those are bonuses but not required. Now, they will take part-time availability. They're looking for anybody to work 25 to 40 hours per week, but they prefer somebody who can work that full-time 40 hours per week. Starting pay for this position is $18.50 an hour, and they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Moving right along, we have Comcast. Comcast is hiring a customer service representative. Now, this is remote for select states. It's open to people who live in Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Vermont, Rhode Island, or Connecticut. But if that is you, they are looking for someone to work their customer service and again, build those relationships with the customers, resolve customer complaints and concerns through actively listening and problem solving. You'll improve the customer satisfaction, maximizing sales and retention opportunities. You'll interact with customers through telephone, email, SMS, which is text, to assist with a variety of customer issues. You must be able to wear a telephone headset throughout your shift. Now, the only main qualifications they're looking for is that you have a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 2 years experience in customer service. But they do also want somebody who can be punctual with their attendance, understand operating procedures and principles, must be able to work nights and weekends because the shifts will vary. Now, unfortunately for this position, they did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Next up, we have Babylon or Babylon, however you want to say that, inbound call center associate. Now, this is going to be in the healthcare field. They are hiring remote without the United States. They're looking for someone to provide virtual patient support to their patients. So this position is going to require administrative and customer service skills, such as taking phone calls and working with electronic health records. They are looking for somebody who has professional experience working in customer service, someone who holds administrative or customer service experience within the medical or healthcare field, someone who has a genuine passion for delivering great customer service. Of course, you have to have strong writing skills and the ability to comply with HIPAA guidelines. Now, they are paying $20 to $22 an hour for this position. It is full-time, 40 hours a week, and they offer the standard benefit package that includes health benefits, 401k, and paid time off. Moving right along, staying in the healthcare field, Cardinal Health is hiring a customer service ops rep for their medical device division. Now, this is work from home nationwide, it says. Their remote operating hours run Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But your primary duties are going to be to contact the primary and secondary insurances to obtain all the information that is needed. You'll process and enter manufacturer and HCP referrals per standard department procedures. You'll enter all the information into the computer insurance screens. You'll verify the insurance benefits of the patient to determine if collection is needed. And of course, again, you'll have to be complying with all of HIPAA guidelines. So this is going to require you to be on the phone calling insurance companies. They are looking for somebody who's a high school diploma or GED. 1 year experience in some kind of a related field is preferred, but it doesn't say required. So really no experience is required. Somebody who can be detail oriented, has great computer skills, and good communication skills. Now, the pay for this position starts out at $16.75 an hour. And of course, again, they offer that standard benefit package, health insurance, 401k, paid time off. Next up, we have the company DreamBox Learning hiring a customer support specialist. This is a contract role, but is remote throughout the United States. Now, DreamBox's customer support specialist will be doing product questions, software features and functionality, and rostering for their products. You'll communicate with customers through phone, email, and live chat, and sometimes possibly video conferencing. You'll process and troubleshoot daily roster updates. You'll review, validate, and clean the roster files to prevent errors. You'll work with new customers to give them that first-time rostering experience, and you'll work with existing customers to ensure that new school year rosters are updated and completed as efficiently as possible. So your main job is going to be helping customers diagnose, troubleshoot, and resolve rostering issues. They are looking for somebody who has 3 years of technology support experience with customers through either phone, email, or live chat. Someone who is knowledgeable of personal computing hardware platforms. Someone who has experience with third-party rostering services is preferred, but not required. You have to have excellent written and verbal communication skills. Of course, experience with the Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, etc. is needed. Great time management skills, and you've got to be able to treat people with respect. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, but pay for this position is anywhere from $20.42 an hour all the way up to $25.71 an hour. If finance is your thing, Jack Henry is hiring a bank credit union contact center customer service rep. Now, they do have a few places listed here, but it says remote. I do believe they're hiring throughout the United States because it says right here the position can be worked remotely throughout the U.S. So I'm just assuming those locations do not matter. Now, Jack Henry is going to provide paid training. Their training classes start on April 24th, run Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time for the first 5 weeks. So your first 5 weeks of employment are all going to be training, but you are basically going to be customer service for these financial institutions. You'll provide assistance to financial institution client customers and members like over the phone personal banker would. You'll assess the nature of the question and issue and resolve in a timely manner. Of course, questions and issues can vary depending on the customer, but you'll assure system security by making sure you verify the customer member information prior to performing any modifications on financial accounts or password resets or anything like that. You'll communicate the customer's needs to the appropriate personnel. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, someone who can stick to their schedule and work, making sure that you only take your breaks and lunch at scheduled times, someone who's the proven ability to remain calm in stressful situations, and someone who is comfortable navigating multiple computer systems. Now, unfortunately, with this one, they did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have the big health insurance group, the Cigna group. They are hiring a customer service person for their prior authorization intake team. They are looking for someone to process review of service request notifications that do not require certification of medical necessity. You'll promptly transfer the review and service calls, which cannot be completed via the formal script, to a clinical first level reviewer. So you're going to have a script that you read off of. So you're just going to follow that. And if that situation does not apply, you'll transfer the call. You'll work with sites, patients, and physician offices to investigate and resolve any pre-certification questions or concerns and preempt unanticipated issues. Of course, you'll provide professional and courteous customer service to the callers. They are looking for somebody who has strong customer service orientation or background, who has great attention to detail and can be professional. Now, of course, this position pays anywhere from $17 to $18 an hour. And they do offer a standard benefit package that includes all the things like health, dental, vision, paid time off. All right, if you enjoy customer service positions, please let me know down in the comments below. And as always, if there's anything specific that you're looking for, leave that down in the comments too. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.